welcome back to my channel. It's Kat here. For today's video, I'm going to show you this summer glow makeup look without using foundation. Also, I'm going to show and review the PR Kit 4 from Pop Beauty and Glamour Box page. So, let's get started. So, I'm going to show you guys the PR Kit 4. So, there's a card as always. Hi Kat, summer is here. Time to bronze up and glow with these essentials. Don't forget to share your code, stay fresh and golden from Pop Girls. I love receiving handwritten notes or cards. Na-appreciate ko yung mga ganun. These are the 3 items on PR Kit 4. So let's start with this Prismatic Pop Illuminating Powder, and I got the shade Coral Crush, and net weight is 0.8 in ounces or 5.1 grams, and it costs 695 pesos. So it has 6 shades. So next we have the Velvet Powder Base, and I got the shade 4 or Owlite. Net weight is 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. And it has 4 shades, and it's cost 895 pesos. So this is the velvet powder packaging looks like. Matte ang lalagyanan niya. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So it has a huge mirror, like same size sa mismong packaging niya. Last product that they sent is this Contour 101, and it has 2 palette. Yung nakuha ko is this Luminous effect, and the other is matte effect. It costs 850 pesos. I'm going to show you what's inside. So we have the highlight, blush, and sculpt. So it has a face chart or instructions for beginners kung saan nyo lalagay yung highlight, blush, and sculpt. Moisturizer, I'm going to use my trusty eye white moisturizer. Alam ko lagi nyo ito nakikita sa iba o sa akin sa mga videos ko kasi ito talaga yung trusted ko, especially pag lalabas ako. Ito kasi talaga nakaka-hydrate sa face ko. And it really works well again sa mga oily skin. An excess product, you're just going to drag it onto your neck. For primer, I'm going to use this Moonshot Multi-Protection UV Fixer. It has SPF 50. So you have to be quick when blending this primer kasi mabilis siyang matuyo. Kaya blend agad. I'm going to do my brows. Nakalimutan kong gawin muna yung brows before putting on moisturizer, pero that's okay. Parehas lang naman. So I'm going to use a spoolie brush. If you have brow soap, go ahead, or you can use glue stick kung ano mang kemeng gusto nyo. For brows, I'm going to use this LA Girl Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. Ito talaga yung favorite ko recently kasi smudge proof, sweat proof, kung ano mang proof yan. Sobrang ganda. Product I'm going to use is Makeup Magnet Mist by Pop Beauty, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. Wala, pupunta sa phone ko. Grabe. Yan. So I'm going to color correct using this Camouflage 101 by Pop Beauty, and I'm going to use the shade Apricot Corrector, which is this one for deep shade for skin. Using my middle finger para mag-blend siya. I'm going to use this concealer buffer brush from Zoeva, and para lang mag-blend siya ng thoroughly at maging smooth yung canvas natin. So next, I'm going to use a concealer, and I'm going to use this Fit Me by Maybelline New York. And I'm in the shade 25 or medium. Bago yung packaging nila, by the way. If you have or bumili kayo ng matagal na, iba na yung packaging ngayon eh. Mas iba yung tip niya. Mas mahaba kasi that. I'm going to put concealer here. To apply it also dun sa nilagyan natin ng color corrector. Brush. I'm going to start by blending under my eye. Pwede naman kayo gumamit ng concealer na talagang kakulay nyo. Pero ginamit ko tong a little bit or 1 shade lighter ng shade ng foundation. So, I'm going to use this velvet powder base in the shade 4 or Owlet. I don't know. I still don't know how to pronounce it. To use my Kabuki flat brush, I'm just going to dip it in the product and tap. I'm going to pat it onto my forehead. Ooh! Ayos yung color niya. Nice. I like it. Hindi siya nakikita sa camera pero wow. Ito pala yung kulay ko. Number 4. Nawala yung oiliness sa forehead ko, which is nice. Okay, again, going to tap the product. Just tap it all out. And sew it. Kasi nga, para hindi magpatong-patong yung powder sa face mo. So, konti lang nilalagay ko sa nose kasi medyo dyan ako nag-oil up. So far, so good. Doesn't feel heavy at all. I'm going back to my eyes. I'm just going to apply concealer. Have you guys watched the Avengers Endgame? Grabe, no? I have so many emotions that time. Iyak ko na iyak. Luckily, yung eyeliner ko, grabe lakas na loob ko pang mag-eyeliner nun na. Winged. Hindi man sobrang cat eye, pero yung saktong winged lang. Buti nga hindi siya natanggal, nakakalokat. I'm not sure what to use on my eyes, but maybe I'm going to use this sculpt on the Contour 101. I'm just going to apply it on the... I'm actually putting all over my lids. Doesn't do anything in my eyes right now. Nakailang patong na ako ng color. Camera looks good. Okay, so I'm going to add some liner, pero I'm not going to use a liquid liner. I'm going to use this crayon liner by Maybelline. And just going to add some smoke sa eyes ko. I'm going to use a synthetic brush. I'm going to smoke it out. I'm going to curl my lashes. Mascara, I'm going to use Total Temptation Waterproof. Ito lang talaga yung gustong mascara ko. Although may pagka naglalump na siya or nagbubuo-buo na siya, okay lang sa akin kasi naglalas naman yung mascara sa akin. At di siya yung parang nagmamantsa sa mata mo or under eye. So now I'm going to bronze up my face using this sculpt shade dun sa Contour 101, and we'll see kung pigment siya. No. Meron ba? I think kailangan mo talagang diinan pagkuha ng product. Wah! Oh my god! Ayun nga, diniinan ko, sumobra naman siya. Oh my god. I'm just going to put some velvet powder. Yan, nabawasan siya. Oh. Kind of works. So, nagpapawis po ang ilong natin na. Sabi daw pag pinapawisan daw yung ilong, seloso daw. Which is kind of true. I'm just going to sculpt my nose. I'm not sure kung makikita sa nose ko. Oh, kita. Ay, kita nga siya, guys. It kind of suits my skin very well. Oh, nice. Okay. Now I'm going to take the blush from the 101 Contour palette. Oh! But it just gives some glow lang. So the blush doesn't serve as blush. kind of give me like illuminating highlight lang. Parang siyang highlight eh. Highlight lang. Subtle highlight sa cheeks. Pero yung bronzer, good. So, try naman natin yung highlight. Okay, so I'm expecting to be like white or cream na highlighter, pero it's gold. Or it has gold flakes once applied. Okay. Pwede na. Kasi, hindi naman ako masyadong gumagamit ng like white highlighter. Usually, may pagka-yellow siya kasi nga, morena ako. I have the Power Powder by Pop Beauty din. So, mas preferred ko yung formula ng Power Powder Strobing Glow from this highlight. Pero yung white shade naman sa Strobing Glow palette, compared to this highlight sa Contour 101, I prefer the white on this one for everyday. Pero pag photoshoot, gusto ko talaga lumabas yung glow or yung blinding highlight, I would use this Strobing Glow palette. Okay. See? So next, I'm going to use this Prismatic Pop Illuminating Powder. Sabi din kasi dun sa description, pwede daw itong illuminating powder patungan sa blush, sa brow bone, inner corner, and sa cheekbone. So, yan, tinatry natin siya. So, since I have a dark lips, hindi ako pwede mag lip balm or gloss for that matter. So, I'm going to use this Colourette Cosmetics Color Tint. This is in the shade Live. So, kasi subtle lang yung sa lips ko. And, blend it out. I'm going to finish this look off using the Makeup Backlit Mist again. So this is the final look. I'm actually proud of myself kasi na-achieve ko tong look na to, especially first time ko gumamit ng luminous or shimmer na bronzer, blush, and ganitong klaseng highlight, which is very, very nice, and I'm happy about the result. Oh, ganda. So now to give you my final thoughts and verdict of these three products. So first things first is this Prismatic Pop Illuminating Powder. Honestly, you guys, I like this one. I'm not sure this is a cream powder, pero may pagka-cream powder yung formula niya. Ang ganda niya. Especially kapag lalagyan nyo ng setting powder yung brush nyo, ang ganda ng kilalabasan. Like, wow. Hindi siya kita masyado pag naka-ganyan. Kasi nakakain ng ring light yung color niya. Pero pag, yan, titilt ko ng konti. Yan, di ba? Wow. Ganda niya. So, next is this Velvet Powder Base. So, packaging-wise, gusto ko siya. It's matte. Simple lang yung itsura niya. And then, may mirror siya, which is great. Pero yun nga, medyo, I was kinda expecting na may puff siya sa loob. Kasi, yung packaging pa lang, di ba? Yung size, nung height, nung packaging niya. So, parang nag-expect ka na may puff. Pero sa akin naman kasi, I don't use puff. Pero for others lang, for sa mga beginners. And so, ako kasi ginagamit ko talaga is small brush or kabuki brush. Yun yung ginagamit ko. So, medyo nababother lang ako dito sa packaging dito. Pag kasi pinupull out ko to. Etong top. Tumutunog siya and parang feeling ko baka masisira na ba siya, hindi ko alam. Pero, yan, may pagka-uga-uga siyang effect. So, gusto ko yung finish niya sa face ko. Hindi pa naman nagkikake or oiled up. I'm not sure kung may mga pressed powder bang heavy sa face or nagkikake. Pero, eto. Pero parang naglagay ako ng lightweight na foundation. I love this one. Last product is this Contour 101 palette. So, packaging-wise, parehas sila ng Camouflage 101. Yan. Gustong-gusto ko yung gantong packaging ng Pop Beauty kasi sobrang lightweight and parang wala kang dala. Especially if you have makeup gig or travel. Pwede mo siyang isingit sa maliit na space or something like that. So, okay siya. So, shade-wise, ang nag-work well lang sa akin is yung highlight and yung sculpt. So, yung highlight, again, perfect siya for everyday. Compared din sa Strobing Glow na white shade, perfect na siya for indoor. Pero pag outdoor, hindi siya bagay sa morena. For the blush, medyo na-disappoint ako kasi when you say blush, it will give you some parang color sa cheeks mo, may rosy effect, pero wala. It didn't give me that color sa cheeks ko. Binigyan niya lang ako ng glow or illuminating sa cheeks ko, which, okay naman siya, pero yung pigment nga, nakukulangan ako sa mismong color na. So, sa scalp shade, gustong-gusto ko siya kasi parang wala akong nilagay sa face, pero in person na, paglalapit ako sa mirror, parang wala akong bronzer or contouring na nilagay. Pero sa mirror and camera, halatang naglagay ako ng bronze or contouring powder. Diba? Kitang-kita nyo yung sa may cheeks ko. Which is kind of good. Luckily, hindi nag-overpower yung illuminate nito. Talagang, parang naglagay lang ako ng matte contour or bronzing powder, tas nagpatong lang ako ng illuminating powder, which is kind of cool. So, yung 3 items sa kit 4, lahat gusto ko. Yung finishing niya, yung formula, and performance. Ang ayoko lang talaga yung blush dun sa Contour 101 palette. And this is the end of this video. If you're eyeing on some Pop Beauty products that I mentioned throughout this video, don't forget to use my code POPCAT to get a 15% off your purchase at glamourbox.ph. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!